I am an American living in Italy. My husband, 11-year-old, and I were fully nomadic, and we're going to be in Italy for 3 months. One of the things I love about being in Italy, or just in Europe in general, is walking. I walk everywhere. So right now I'm actually walking to go pick up my son because he has football practice. He joined a local football club here in Italy, so I'm walking to go pick him up. It's like an 18-minute walk from our apartment to football. And once I pick him up, we're gonna walk 18 minutes back, and that's after he's done about 2 hours of football practice. So it's quite a bit of exercise for the day. In the US, we would just like hop in a car and drive wherever we need to go. But I love being able to step out, walk, get some air. It's really amazing, honestly, for mental health and clarity and everything. I just made it to the football field, and my husband doesn't know that I'm here because he walked our son down here, and I walked over to join them. Watch this.
Hello.
Did you see me?
No, how'd you get here? I thought you got lost.
I walked down here. Hello.
Hello.
Where's your son?
Right there, yelling pasta. Pasta!
So our son doesn't speak any Italian at all, and most of the kids on the team speak Italian. And one thing he's learned how to do is ask for the ball in Italian.